Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Green Traders. I'm Kumar here. We will go just check the key Nifty key levels for tomorrow, that is 18th August, Tuesday. So before that, as usual, we will go and check what happened with Nifty and what was my prediction video which I had uploaded on Nifty for today. So we'll just check the screenshot of my video which I had uploaded the last week on Nifty. So see, Nifty I had given buy above 11,100 or 11,120. Okay, and sell below 11,060. So what happened today in the Nifty? See, what happened is today Nifty neither reached my buy level nor my sell level. Okay, because my buy was above 11,100, but Nifty, what happened, it made a gap up and it opened around 11,270, almost 70 points more of my buy level. Okay, so there was no chance for Nifty. See, you can see here, no chance for Nifty on the buy side. Okay, so it was almost 70 points above my target. It opened today, and on the sell side it made a low of, I can just check here, it made a low of 11,155, but my uh, sell below was 11,060. So it neither triggered my buy call nor my sell target or sell level. Okay, so so basically there was no trade in Nifty today as per my prediction. So for the scalper, there were big chances in between the market. Let's say it around 2 o'clock or 2:15, there was a buy chance in Nifty for above 11,226 to up to a target of 11,280, that is around 50 points. So not all the traders could have caught this move, because only the experienced traders, the scalpers, the traders who have knowledge about price action trading patterns, the direction, they might have traded this and they might have profited from this. So that's it for we'll just go check uh, for the Nifty key level for tomorrow. This is the setup for tomorrow, and these are the levels. See, as you can see, tomorrow there might be two cases where in Nifty uh, we will enter a sell. Okay, so that is what I have written here. I will explain you now. So tomorrow in the case one Nifty, I have given sell below or near to 11,350. Let's say today Nifty has opened around 11,000, closed around 11,280, 270. Okay, so let's say tomorrow Nifty opens around 280, 290, and it trades and comes near to 11,003 and 350 or somewhere on this point, or there is a gap up tomorrow again and Nifty opens around 11,300 or 11,350. Wait for a few candles to form, wait the market to get settled, because there is a high resistance at this point. As I told in my previous videos also, there is a high resistance around 11,350 range. Okay, so my prediction is tomorrow, if again Nifty comes around this point, and if you find any reversible price action confirmations patterns, so you can trade sell Nifty around 11,350 for a target of 11,320 and 11,280. Okay, this is the first case on the sell of Nifty. So the second case is if Nifty opens below 11,250, that is today it's closed on 11,280. Let's say tomorrow there is a gap down and Nifty closed below 11,250, you can short Nifty for a target up to 11,150. Okay, around 100 points down. Okay, so there are two cases, sell cases tomorrow for Nifty. So please keep this in mind, and please keep this levels. It's very important. You can't just go and trade here and there. You have to wait for these levels for Nifty to come, then only you have to see some confirmation, then enter the trade. Okay, so you can't just blindly go enter the trade. You will just blow up your account simply. Okay, so on the buy side, we'll just check out. On the buy side, it's very simple. If Nifty opens gap up tomorrow, or if Nifty re-enters this trend line, with any very good volume or any price action buy confirmations, you can buy Nifty above 11,350 for a target of up to 11,450, 100 points on the buy side. Okay, so hope guys you understood this. There are two sell cases tomorrow for Nifty and one buy level for Nifty. Okay, please understand these levels. Okay, so friends who want to understand these levels, these price action confirmations or reversible patterns, all about candlestick patterns, about the demand and supply, channel drawing, this kind of all stuffs, you can join my paid price action classes which I conduct every weekend, as I say. So for more information you can call me or you can WhatsApp me regarding that. So friends who want to just watch my calls, free calls, and my strategies from where do I give, on which level I give buy or sell, you can watch my screenshot as well as on my free channel. Okay, thank you guys, hope this information will be useful for you to trade Nifty tomorrow. So I hope you be profited tomorrow. Okay, and Nifty. Thank you guys, have a good day, take care, bye.